All right, kids, if you haven't guessed it by now, our math topic of the day is percents. So I wanted to start by breaking down the word percents for you, just to show you that there's a lot of parts of this word that you really already know. First of all, our first part of the word here is per. We know that from our study of ratios to mean for every. And we also know from our study of mathematics that the word cents here is rooted in the number 100. We've seen that before in pennies, cents, in our Latin for our Roman numeral 100, right? So cents for every 100. And what we'll learn is that a percent is actually a type of ratio with a fraction denominator of 100. Now let's see what this looks like in terms of a visual model. So let's put this off to the side here for a moment. Okay, we have the statement here, 37% is 37 out of 100. Let's talk about representing this visually. One way we can represent it visually is to show what is 37 out of 100. What does that look like on a hundreds chart? So one really simple way to do that is to highlight the numbers represented by the fraction, 37 out of 100. Another visual representation that we can have is we can write this as a fraction, 37 over 100. Something else that you might find that sounds familiar is in decimal form. We could also say 37 hundredths. All of that is the same as saying 37% or 37 out of 100. Now let's go ahead and apply that to the types of problems you saw this morning. One of the first questions you had this morning was, what is 1/2? 1/2 is what percent? So if we now know that percentages are based out of 100, I can look at my 100s chart here and think of, well, what is half of 100? I can really easily here take my highlighter and just take half of the chart, which I know to be 50, or I could even divide 100 by 2 to get half of 100. And we know that is 50. So we could say that half of 100 is 50 out of 100. For remembering the other ways that we can say this, we could also say it's 0.5 or 5/10 or 50 hundredths. But the other way we can say that is it is 50%. So 1/2 is 50%. The other problem you had this morning was 1/4 is what percent? So in using the same sort of strategies, well, I know that 1/4 is half of a half. I knew that 1/2 of 100 was 50, and I know that half of 50 is 25. So if I'm using my hundreds chart here to illustrate, I'm just going to take about a quarter or half of 50. I know that 25 is half of 50. So that would be about a quarter of 100. So I know that 25 out of 100 is 1/4. I also know that it is 25 hundredths, but we also now know that 1/4 is equal to 25%. There you have it, kiddos. Real basic introduction to percents. Percents meaning out of 100, for every 100. Please make sure you message me if you have any questions.